Hello, my name is Cornelius Chopin, owner of Rich Media Creative Services, where I make learning fun and easy. In a moment, you will be presented with a fast sneak preview of one of the 8 Photoshop masks that will be taught in my class, named Unmasking the Mystery of the Mask, which is now available on my website. This is a high-impact training that can take your creative skills to a high level by learning when, where, why, and how to create various Photoshop masks. I will be using 3D layering, special effects, and animation to simplify complex concepts that can't be easily seen on the canvas. This fast preview is the 6th of 8 mask types that will be taught. The clipping mask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Click the link below if you want detailed information on my recently released training entitled Unmasking the Mystery of the Mask. If you're new to this channel, click the like, subscribe, and notification button so that you don't miss any videos like this one, and to help me promote this channel. Thanks for your thoughtful consideration in advance. And remember to share this video with your family, your friends, your enemies, your neighbors, your co-workers, your in-laws, and most of all, the outlaws.